One of Montana's most iconic game species fails from conservation neglect, but as Winston Greeley tells us in this week's Outdoor Report, new efforts by Fish, Wildlife and Parks look to improve the management of Montana's mountain goats.
Wildlife researchers recently captured mountain goats in southwest Montana to look at herd health. These new efforts are a first step in trying to learn more about Montana's least studied and understood big game animal.
Goats as a species are an iconic species that Fish, Wildlife and Parks has always been managing, but it's like we really don't know. We don't know what to look at or for even. You know, is it habitat or whether it's diseases or some other factor?
One of the big questions is the difference between Montana's native mountain goat herds and the introduced ones. Beginning in the 1940s, Montana wildlife managers transplanted mountain goats to start herds in new ranges. However, today, these introduced herds are doing well, and the native mountain goat herds have declined dramatically.
It's almost like we're dealing with two species here. We've got introduced goats, we've got native goats, and they aren't the same in terms of how the populations are performing and actually the population biology. And so that difference at a very basic level is native goats aren't doing well, introduced goats are doing quite well.
While there are many theories on why native herds are not doing well, the main emphasis from Smith and other goat advocates is to begin the discussion on this iconic alpine species.
What we want to do is be proactive here and do what we need to, both in terms of understanding, so the research side, as well as fine-tuning the management to conserve and restore goats.
Along with this herd health research, Fish, Wildlife and Parks has also formed a team to look into improving Montana's mountain goat management in the future. I'm Winston Greeley, out among Montana's fish, wildlife,